Hello, welcome to our Iris by Kobetron training series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a checklist. So the first thing is I'm logged in as the casino agent and I'm on the change request page. So I have a change request that's in the status of drafting. If I click the review edit button and scroll down, I'll have some different actions. I can request regulator approval, or if I want to run a checklist, I can click this Open Checklist button. This is going to open up a pre-configured checklist that I've set up. So I'll go ahead and click Open Checklist. In this checklist, I just added a couple of questions, a text box so you can type anything. Then this field right here is set up to show money. So if I put $2.50 in there, it adds the $ and formats it for you. Then we have a checkbox field, so you can just check it or uncheck it. So maybe this might say, was the task completed, or was the slot tech present or something, and you can check it for the yes or no that you completed it. And then we have a radio button. In this button, I have just yes or no for the answer, but I could also put a third option here, maybe say not applicable, or have these configured to say true or false, or whatever. So whatever form that you have that you want filled out, we can build that form as a checklist that would look similar to this with your specific questions in there. And once you complete the form, you hit save, and it saves that checklist. I'll go ahead and submit this to request approval. But now there's a checklist option. If I click on it, it'll take me to the checklist page, and we can see the checklist that I just submitted. So I'll double click on this, and we can see it's got all the information that I filled out already. So that checklist will stay with the machine. So if I go back to the change request tab, I can also navigate to the more info page of the machine by clicking the inventory item and just selecting the serial number there, and it'll navigate to the machine. And when this loads up, I'll have a list of columns down at the bottom, and one of the columns is the checklist column, and this will show all the checklists that were ever performed on this machine. So you can come back, you can see I ran this iris test checklist. It tells you the user that ran it. I can double click on it, and it opens it back up and shows me everything that was done on that checklist.